Panic and shock have gripped the town of Udaipur following the sensational discovery of the bullet-riddled bodies of a young man and woman inside a vehicle near the Hola Cathedral Bridge area. The incident came to light after being spotted by local residents. The alarming scene was revealed to local residents after they heard the sound of a gunshot. According to eyewitnesses, they immediately alerted the police and fire service after spotting two blood-soaked individuals inside the vehicle. Firefighters were the first to arrive and remove the young man from the car, initially believing he might be alive. He was quickly rushed to the district hospital where doctors upon examination declared him deceased. The lifeless body of a young woman, also bearing bullet wounds, was recovered by the police from the front seat of the vehicle. Senior police officials from the district immediately rushed to the scene. A forensic team was also called to the spot and conducted an initial examination of the car, collecting preliminary samples crucial to the investigation. The local Arkipur police station has initiated an investigation into the matter.
কিছুক্ষণ আগে একজন পেশেন্টকে নিয়ে আসে ফায়ার সার্ভিস তো আমি দেখার পর দেখি যে ব্রড ডেথ লাগছে স্পট ডেথ ওখানেই মারা গেছে আর বুলেট ইনজুরি লাগছে আর কি দেখে যা মনে হচ্ছে তো এখন তদন্তের জন্য পাঠাচ্ছি কালকে হবে
তো আপনারা কি এখানে শারীরিক পরীক্ষা করেছিলেন
এখানে যা এমনি সুপারফিশিয়ালি যা দেখেছি আর
কি নামটাম কিছু জানা গেছে
নামটাম এখনো কিছু জানা যায়নি আমাদের পুলিশ দেখছে
Police are now awaiting the findings of the CCTV tracking, call detail records and the full forensic report to establish the true cause and timeline of the shocking incident that has caused high tension and widespread speculation across Udaipur town. Reporter Rajiv from Udaipur, Chinikhorang.